Ya, kembali lagi bermain Hexis Force, you know the Hexis, kemarin kita udah mengalahkan ya, udah membuka lah, ya udah mengalahkan tengkorak, terus sama udah inilah dapetin clue lah, ada situ lah, yang musik box itu di part terakhir. Singkat gue di sini ada panenan ya guys. Enggak deh, kita disuruh ini kan balik lagi ke back to the Great Temple Palvina. Bener, kita ke Palvina dulu. BTW ini udah bisa dipakai belum guys? Gue cek dulu. Swap bisa gak sih? Oh belum bisa. Udah lanjut aja. Kita lanjut. Tadi dulu gue gedein volumenya, bisa gak guys? Oke, balik lagi ketemu sama Sister Elda ya. Kenapa nih? Oh no. Kata dia, Luffy. Ada yang mau dateng. Hear us in at the Great Temple. Apa udah di Great Temple? Shit. Apakah kita harus save dulu guys? Save dulu kali di sini ya. Save dulu guys, sini. Berbahayul. Lihat tuh. Coba kita tanya dulu. Ini kocak. Kita ambil dulu. Holy Waters. Bentar. Kita bisa fusion gak ya? Ini nih. Serpent skin dari mana ya guys? Meteor Boots, Hyper Pastil, Mercury. Mercury gue banyak guys. Dari mana ya Mercury? Gue lupa lagi. Ini bisa nih Turtleian. Talk skill dari mana ya guys? Dapat ya? Ini boleh sih, ya. Buat dia, tapi aduh. Ini hard skinnya itu loh. Dari mana sih guys dapetnya dia? Kita bikin aksesoris dulu deh ya. Turtleian ring. Iya, let's go. Biar makin tebek dia guys. Level juga udah cukup lah dia. Level berapa sih dia? Please, tersalah lagi. Mampus naik. Water gue jadi 0. Nggak minus gitu loh guys. Tadinya kan minus 20 kan gue. Kesini gak sih? Bener lah. Sister Elda. Hey. What's the matter? You seem completely distraught. Lufina had a premonition. She said something scary is coming here. Everything seems alright. Yeah, but I still sense it. Even so, nothing seems to be out of order. Whatever it is could be hiding somewhere. Let's have a look around. Very good. Then let us go. Hah? Ntar guys. Ini loh, kok nggak bisa guys? Bentar, apakah kita kesini? Ntar coba kita lihat lognya dulu, siapa tahu lah ada ini. Temple. Apakah di kuburan? Iya, ada holy water sih. Bukannya udah gua ambil ya guys? Yang di sini. Bentar, let's check it bro dulu. Di sini ada lagi kan ya? Oh, nggak ada guys. Berarti kita coba check it ke bawah sini ya. Oke. Coba kita ke cleric room dulu ya. Oh, jangan-jangan itu yang buat di sini ya, Saudara. Iya nggak sih? Nah, ini dia kebuka. Nah, ini apa nih guys? Bisa ditarik gak sih? Rushing water. Ini main gue buka-buka aja itu, cok. Coba kita ke bawah. Basement sih, gue curiga. Taruh itu tembusnya di mana ya? Set, set, set. Nggak ada jalan ya. Nggak ada jalan lagi di sini. Ada yang mau nolit altar ya guys. Nah, di sini nggak ada monster ya? Apa jangan-jangan di luar ya? Tadi gue mencet apa guys? Asal aja gue. Lah, gak bisa kesini anjing. Retak gak sih waktu itu guys? Enggak ya? Oh kan bener kesini. Wah anjir, dinin semua berarti nih ntar. Same thing we saw at altar of first reaction. Rector. Hey, who's there? Is this why Luffy had that premonition? Si Azul coy. Supposed to be. You're supposed to be at the sixth monolith, the one at Fort Falcon. We're trying to get Cecilia's power back. You took them from her. Remember? Yes, and now we find ourselves face to face with the culprit who cast the spell. No, you will remove this seal from Lady Cecilia? Hahaha. You guys are so dumb, katanya. You actually think you can talk to me like that? If I wanted, I could destroy all of you in an instant. Not just all of you, but every single life form in this temple. Now with the destructive force amplified by this force reactor, I won't even need to go through the trouble. Hehe, but I'll spare Miss Maiden of the step, of course. No, I'm gonna shut him up right now. Wah, songong nih. Wait, Sir Raphael. He killed Sir Chapnal without hesitation. He may very well destroy this entire place. Giliran gua record, pilek aja. Tadi gak apa-apa. But that doesn't mean. Yeah, you got that right. I don't want to do this either. If you guys had stayed out of my way, things would have gone much smoother. But you go against me every chance you get and make everything so complicated. Right, Miss Maiden of the Stock? If your mom had obeyed me, she wouldn't have had to die. But she refused. She kept running away from me, and that's why she got killed by monster. Also, I must say it was fun slowly cornering her. I love watching you lowly insect running for your insignificant life. Wahahaha. What is up with this kid gitu? He's so creepy. You're so evil. This is the first time I've ever really wanted to kill somebody. Wah, jadi aura pembunuh kan nih si Cecil. Haha, that's good gitu. Let the force of destruction embrace you. Oh, and since you can't use rock effect anymore, you can do anything to me. So, oh, si Cecilia ini kali ya. Si Cecilia kan creation, ini destruction lagi si Ajul. Then we'll defeat you up for her. Did you hear what I just said? Step aside. My business is with the Maiden of the Stock, not with anyone else. No way! I won't let you lay one finger on Ceci. Oh, really? Then I guess I have no choice. Ribut ayo yo. No, you must not activate it. Come on, let's stop him right now. I'm ready. Let's go. Oh shit. Here we go again, you know. Langsung aja bersekali ya. I render. Wah, anjir, danger dikit, cok. Habis lagi. Nge-lag gini, pasti ada notif. Apa ya, nggak ada heal-healan nih, cok. Bolt strike dah. Maafkan aku ya jika kamu mati. I render. Wih, tebal juga doi, bos. Kasihlah plasma wave biar cepet ngisinya, guys. Force burst kita. Ah, yang diincer dia mulu. Maaf ya kalau kamu mati. Pakai apa, guys? There are all with low HP. Lo HP siapa anjir? Anjir karma cok. Oh emang harus kalah. Emang harus kalah. Parah ya. What are you doing? Relax. I'll keep you alive. Will even return your holy stuff. Padahal gue yakin gue bisa ngalahin tadi tuh. Dihancurin anjir. Gonna die dong. If there's a rest inside, please help me send Palvina. So please katanya, please. Keluar nih. Dia ekspresinya keren juga tuh, karakter. Muka kocak anjir. Wih keluar tuh. Wah di heal semua, ayo let's go. Oh iya bener. Kan katanya apa namanya, cobalah balikin hasrat lu buat melindungin seseorang gitu, atau semua orang lah gitu, melindungi sesuatu gitu. Ih kabur anjing, cupu banget. Giliran kekuatannya ini kabur. Ini gue curiga sih plot twistnya si Sister Elda emaknya dia anjing. Ini teori gue tuh aneh-aneh aja anjir. I think everyone should evacuate and get as far away as they can. No, I will remain here. But why? First, it will be impossible to evacuate everyone from this temple. People from all over have made pilgrimage to come to this sacred place. But even more than that, I believe in you. You are risking everything to fight for us. We cannot simply pack up and leave. So we cannot be at your side in battle. We can at least be there in spirit. Alright, kata dia. But if things get too dangerous here, please run away. Of course, kata dia. In the meantime, I will do all I can to prepare. Cecilia, Raphael, Lufina, and Sir Ignus, please be careful, all of you. Yes, Sister Reda. Mulai klimaks nih kayak ini. Totally. Yes. Miss and Palvina protect you. Wow, we really took the long way around. The sixth monolith is next. Fort Falcon, citadel of the Cerulean. Correct. Yeah, let's go. According to Sir Levan, this castle is Faust's base. We must be prepared from anything. What is it, Ceci? I know it sounds weird coming from me. Thanks, you guys. If it weren't for you, I would... Alah, ribet banget bahasanya ya. Just drop it everything and run away. Because of you, I was able to get my holy star power back. I'm gonna work hard and not let anything lower my spirit. Let's hurry. It's my fault we're late. But I know we can make up for lost time. Yeah, ini kayaknya udah mau tamat deh. Ngomongnya udah kayak gini nih, udah kayak klimaks udah mau kayak klimaks udah mau trot gitu guys. Silas has awakened the powers of the Holy Star Prayer Vault and can now unleash Seraph Wave. Neighbors attack for Raphael and Lufina have been realized. The maximum hex discharge become... Wah sebenarnya serius nih. Apa maksud dia? Udah 99% gua. Maksudnya apa guys? Jelas. Kagak bisa beli item sini ya, inget. Bisa diganti berarti. Sebenarnya gue mau ganti sih. Apa gue ganti ya guys ya? Ganti deh. Gue pengen ganti ini tahu, dia ke dia. Oke. Formationnya pas lah ya. Soalnya nggak ada heal-healan guys, parah banget ya. Bisa pakai ini ternyata. Dah. Oh iya, akhirnya dikasih dot. Coba kita kesini dulu. Ada ups nih di sini. Ih, gokil. Ada apa nih guys? Ini guys. Oh alah, ini toh. Oh, kita nggak bisa dapetin holy water kalau kita nggak buka lagi dong anjing. Oke, ini dulu yang penting. Stardust doang anjing. Water ring. Kita balik dulu ke atas. Balikin lagi gak sih guys? Kita jadi gak bisa ini ngambil air. Save dulu. Oke, sepertinya segitu dulu aja video kali ini. Terima kasih yang sudah mampir ya. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.